Back to the good old days. People, we have the reaction boss glasses on. People, we have the reaction boss started for a reason. People, we're in a new channel. Yes, the reason why we're over here so right now. First reason is, you see the other channel, TRINIBAD reacts. Right now, people, the channel that go on hot with the clash. You see me? I'm gonna want to drop too much video for sure, for load on the video them over there. So right now, we have a brand new Blood Clot music video from Kman 6ixx. That man not only upload music video on the Vevo channel, no audio thing. Right now, no little, one of the artists song them on him EP. Comment on this video, this is your comment right there next video that I post. It's still a reaction boss, as you can see. Subscribe to the main channel at TRINIBAD reacts to the bad reaction them over here so they get the bad reaction them also. So subscribe, like the video. Come if you see a comment, make us see what go on, no man. We're waiting for Byron say a song we drop, you know. We're waiting for Byron song we drop. But right now, Kman, we see what that video I did with. 6 rise, help, and people, we know the video, we know the song already, so we're not really pass too much. This is really comment on where I say I go on in the visuals, right? Because we react to the audio already, right? Said no reaction boss running. Anyways, let's get straight to it right now. Like your video. Red tune! Disclaimer. No fuck. Rascal, Bumbo Cloud, hold on! Hold on! What is? What kind of scary movie thing I'm going right here, some general? What kind of scary movie thing is this? My blood clot! No, sir! The dog here do. Me blood clot, people. Remember the brother in that whole like music for them. Him here do. Him here do up to blood clot. Make watch some more.
Rise, hey, fat up Zaki, I only hope he could run. Nobody not gonna live when my draw for me gun. Slowly, them I go perish in a grave it belong. You gotta know when me catch a 7. Your friend body still here, must be done skeleton. See how we kill them, swear, say I love it from. Boys, see we unshake us.
People, me I say right? Dash with the glasses. People, I want to go into that video, yeah? But not like people, the dog video them outstanding. I'm not gonna lie to you. You know, it don't come right now, we ever see it. You see me I say? I'm not like the last one, a Team T name, that video there, it's a regular video that. But you see like Black Rain and this video, 2 different videos. Black Rain not tell a story, but that one yeah, Bumbo Cloud, go on.
I know if it on a J-man said the word and me load every gun.
Fuck them later, 6 man rise every fucking day, man. We not less than 3, man.
Go for them now, never like fairies. I know we disappear boy, cause they commit treason. Head top split.
Disappear boy because them commit treason. I'm saying people react to the Bumbo Cloud audio. You see me, so we know the lyrics. We just watch what going on the video right now to Blood Clot. People like I perform my exorcism, what they call it, exorcism or whatever them call it.
No, never like fairies. I know we disappear boy, cause they commit treason. Head top split in a 2 fish. Go for them Scooby-Doo. Check up, out the ton nobody bad like you. Wake up, fat pussy, wake up. Hey, you better wake up. M1's a fill if every broom clean up. Them a fucking 9 balloon, a 7-point stick boy to the ground on the glue. And everybody get the ton on the flu. Cause every 6 man it's sick. Cold, it's a big shot for you.
Yo. I like how the dog him feel him sing them. When I'm performing him sing them people, you know what I mean? Him feel them. And he perform them to a level like say, yo, he mean the words where I sing. Like he perform them like he mean them. I mean, I don't notice that. You see me, I say, man, into him lyrics them. You see me, like he stand behind for fucking really am saying I'm sang them. I mean, get alone from music for them. I mean, I don't get it if you get it too. Let me know in the comment section. But then, man, I say, what? 6 done, rise every fucking day, man. And that's what the song, and that's what the music video, give a little demonic side right there. So you see me, I say, me go watch some more.
About 7 lucky place where them talking about. We are the evilest and them no every night man.
Why am I read? Hold on, we have to pay attention to detail.
About we are the evilest and
why am I read? I read? No. The dog I read the Bible without my blood clot. Devastating. Go on.
Every night man
sick, cold.
Every hate man sick, cold. Watch every Z man sick, cold. And if you should be sick, you get to make a block her out. The OT man, them pussy will know where they man. And if
look how much clip the dog off.
Around the OT man, them pussy will know we a demon. And if you clip we have load for a reason.
You see, mumble clap, I just have welcome much clip. Yeah man, you see that, you perform my ex. I can show that video, I shoot for one of my one boy them over America, yeah, and we do the same fucking thing in that music video. Me blood clothes.
Get the ends burned down on the diesel. But every man get dirt when they leave none. I never gonna sing but he never dig out. What? We shoulda know the boy them is a big horror. I got the guard up, I got the Jehovah. It's a big tar rifle, a big
Them do what?
a big horror. I got the guard up, I got the Jehovah. It's a big tar rifle, I behold that. But how the fuck them later? 6 dan rise every fucking day, man. Tint up car and less than 3, man. Me go for them now, never like for raise. And now we disappear, boy, cause they commit treason. How the fuck them later, how the fuck them later. 6 dan rise every fucking day, man. Tint up car and less than 3, man. We go for them. Trick badness, we go for them now. Face we don't miss the pussy bad how. From me dance rise hell with detrimental. And I swear we can't wait for
a guitar. But people, I'm gonna go for say one. I'll forget I'm gonna go for say that. Yeah. People, remember in a dog, couple years, not even a couple years ago, like a year ago in a dog, we never done about Kman 6ixx in a dog. You see me I say? And out of nowhere in a dog. The dog just come up and just start doing things. So which part Kman did there when Argentina that go on last year? You see me say, and why you take for Kman? Why did have to do for just come up and just get all of that attention upon themes of the music people? You see me I say, forget all of them eyes upon him now when people are talking about him and take over the Trinidad scene. Why him do? You see me I say, oh him come up. What is the story behind Kman right now? Why him so successful right now? Or him about to be one of the biggest things right now? You see me I say, I know how the dog come up out of nowhere, so. Because remember the dog, like a year ago, we never know the name Kman 6ixx in a dog. You see me? Me never know the name Kman 6ixx until Black Rain, you know. You see me? But what the dog, what me have to do? You see me, I say? For forward out right now. I have a team of man behind, we are backing right now. But up on the behind and the back in now. I have a team running right now where I have. Because I never see that team of man before in another music video. You see me, I say, like them man, what them man have to do? Bumbo clear and tune.
Chocolate on my hip, I'm a mess up in the stick.
Skeleton them. The dog gonna do a belly roll. I want the blood to clean this. Watch the dog.
Chocolate on my hip, I'm a
The dog gonna do a belly roll.
know we a bit. And I said the way that you know we at it. We fully psychopathic. No, we right from the stick. See them never wow with us. Shot. Left hole in his esophagus. Yeah, now this was if you win we must. Because anyway you spin we luck.
Kawa.
Man that's sick.
Go and every
For your shit, man. The boss have lucky place where them talking about. Evil is on them, no. Every night man that's sick. Oh, every 8 man that's sick. Oh, the every Z man that's sick. Oh, then if you should be sick, get them with the block around.
You want me the brother in a real life? No one see the brother in a real life to blood clap. And a big man mess dog. No one see the brother in a real life. Big man mess. Shot by that shooter. Big up yourself and fresh the creator. Big up yourself. You dig me? No one see the brother in a real life. But people, if I like the video, so the video recommends to more people. Drop some comments, you see me I say. And guess what? Drop some more videos now and react to Panda channel right now, you see me? I try to give some welcome reaction to the Panda channel. But over there, so we're going to save over there so for the TJ and the Byron. I say, if Byron reply to this still, I got to post back over on the main channel. But you see me I say, but if you reply today, you don't some more video go over here so, and the Byron and TJ go over so, no though. No! But watch the video them. You see me I say, reaction boss, I sign out, we're gone. Pick up again for credit.